Okay, this OxiClean, nag-sale siya, I think 2 weeks ago. Either 2 weeks or 3 weeks ago. But, nung time na naka-sale siya, it's, palagi siyang out of stock. So, ang ginawa ko, humingi ako ng rain check. Yung rain check na yon is, pwede mong gamitin kapag nagkaroon na ulit sila ng stock ng item na yon. And then, ibibigay pa rin nila sa'yo yung price, kung ano yung price niya during the sale. So, this week, nagkataon, may nakita akong 2 OxiClean. Hey, good. I have 4 coupons and 4 rain checks. But, 2 lang ang meron sila. So, 2 is better than nothing. Okay, so, bumili ako I bought 2 OxiClean. That's $6.99, but they are on sale for $3.99 each. So, I bought 2. That's $7.98. And then, I have coupon for $3 off per one. So, bawat isa is $3 off. So, I used 2 of those. So, that's $6. So, $7.98 less $6. That's $1.98. So, not bad for this too. And then, I bought this Dr. Cocoa for children. Calf relief. So, I thought I can use this for Karina, but it says there for ages 4 to 13. So, I'll just send it to the Philippines. Kasi may mga pamangkin ako doon na sakitin. So, I'll just send it to them. Okay. So, I bought those. I saw it on sale for $4.49. Okay. So, bawat isa is $4.49. I bought 2. I have coupon, the $4 off coupon. I think I print this on coupons.com. So, that's $4.49. I bought 2. That's $8.98. Less 2 coupons. That's worth $4. So, that's $8 off. So, I pay 98 cents for these 2. 98 cents for the 2 of those. So, not bad. Okay, so $1.98 for the OxiClean. 2 OxiClean. Then, 98 cents for the cough medicine. So, that's $2.96. Plus $1.48 tax. That's a total of $4.44 for all those products. And then I still have points, so I use my points so I don't have to pay anything. And good thing, so right, Aid, even your points, you can use your points to pay for the tax. So, as in, I don't pay anything. I bought those 4, I didn't pay anything. That's a good deal. And then, kung wala naman kayong points pa, just in case hindi pa kayo nakakagain ng points, it's your first time, pwede nyo, not bad na rin ang $4.44 sa 4 na ito, di ba? Anyway, so the second transaction, okay, the toothpaste and the toothbrush. The Crest toothpaste is on sale for $1 each. Oh yeah, there's only limit of 2 per card. Kapag bumili ka ng more than 2, hindi mo na magigain yung 300 points each. So, I have 2 cards. One for my husband and one for me. So, I got those 2 separate. So, I got this Crest toothpaste. It's $3 each. I bought 2. That's $6. Okay. That's $6 for 2. And then I have a coupon from P&G dated May 31st. That's $1 off one. The $1 off for each of this. So I bought 2. That's $2 off. So 6 minus 2 is $4. So pay $4. And when you buy 1, you will receive 300 points. And 300 points is equals to $3. Yes. So that means I bought this 2. I earned 600 points. So I only pay $4. I gain 600 points. which is $6. That means that's $2 moneymaker. And then I bought this one Oral-B complete. That's